Hello, this is my regular Sundays hanging out by the bridge and watching the trains pass by. It was a beautiful Sunday. The sky was so blue that I sat for almost 4 hours here.
Briny friends.
I started thinking to myself why nobody goes outside anymore and enjoy nature for a bit,
I sometimes wish there was people who live life, like go on adventures like this, go out on walks, it's like so fun. To me it's fun. I don't care if I'm doing it alone, to be honest. Like, it's so calming. Like the air, the breeze, everything. You listen to nature and all that stuff. I know I have my computer, but like I'm listening to music. I just sometimes wish that we just had just a little bit of time to just go outside. But we have busy lives, so like it's like, oh yeah, can't do it.
Cool trains coming through whoop whoop.
Look guys, come on. Get in there. I don't know what to do because I'm late. I'm going this way and I'm not supposed to. Look.
I saw people walking my way. I was shy to turn around and I was going the wrong direction. Anyways, I turned around eventually.
What does it say there? Let's read the sign.
I pretended to read the sign as if it were a map. I couldn't even see it since I don't have my glasses, OMG. I was so embarrassed that I had to turn around. I was overthinking the situation so much that I began shaking.
Hi. Hello. Thank you. I couldn't see the lady. She was so sweet. Yeah, very friendly. Very friendly people.
Left the bridge and now we are going to the little houses so I can climb them. If it is that I can.
Can you see it? I can climb this little housey. I mean, who's stopping me? Wait, they painted the chairs now. Look, they're blue. What the heck? I stepped on mud. Look, there's little water dripping here. Little water drops.
Yeah, by the way, My Chemical Romance was playing, if anyone noticed. If you did, you get a golden star.
What the heck?
Now my attempt on climbing the little house.
I mean, I could try climbing it up. Let's try, guys.
So scary.
There's nobody stopping me. Should I climb it though? It's kind of tall. It's kind of steep. I don't know what I'm saying. It's because there's people, and then there's people in that building over there, and they can see me. I mean, I can try climbing it if I want to. And then there's houses over there, and then there's people staring. And I don't know if I should do it. Should I do it? Okay, I'll try. I mean, I don't care if my camera's dirty. Oh, there's literally people there.
I climbed this house before with some friends long time ago, but the rocks weren't there to help me climb it. And yes, I used the trash can, but I wasn't tall enough to reach the little house. Sad.
You only live once. Only live once. Live life at your fullest.
Now I'm trying to climb the little house on top of a trash can now.
I'm in the trash can. climbing it, guys. I'm that bored.
Let's take a moment to admire the beautiful trees. So pretty. Okay, now at this point I'm trying to climb the little house. I'm on top of a trash can. OMG. I couldn't climb it. I was too short and needed more height to be on top of the little house.
I'm on top of the trash can. Guys, I'm literally on top of the
Few
trash
minutes
can.
later, I was leaving the little house, but I decided to try once again and see if I could climb it.
Alright, I can try. I tried it once, but I haven't tried it. This is my life, bro. Okay. I mean, it's like this thingy. So this is the trash can, and then I have to go up all the way over there. There's a train. I saw three trains. Well, there used to be rocks here, so you could climb this stuff. I'm not that tall to climb this. I'll try and see if there's rocks here, cause I remember climbing once that thing. And my boots are already so muddy. Like, it's unbelievable.
I was looking for some rocks to give me some height, and I found a decent big rock.
We're just gonna place the rock over here. Oh, muddy. My life, literally my life. My life should be a movie because I'm adventurous. And I'm literally speaking while this phone is on the trash can.
My hands were very dirty from grabbing the rock, and my boots were extremely muddy.
And then the building over there's like people watching me, so I don't know what to do, if I should climb it or not. I'll attempt to. I'll attempt to climb it. Okay, I'll try. Because there's literally people watching me. Ugh, it's so muddy. Look at my hands now. I mean, it's my own fault if I can't come down. Let's climb it now. It's so wobbly. News. I can't climb it because I need more rocks to climb this thing, which I can't. And I'm not tall enough, so I'm not gonna do it again.
I couldn't climb the house. Kinda sad. I just needed more rocks, but it was getting late, had to go home. A guy saw me recording.
Oh. There was a guy with his riding his bike.
Such a beautiful day. At this point I was walking home and stopped recording, wanted to enjoy my last moments outside.
I mean, it's just so grateful. Okay, I'm leaving. Bye bye.